So we're out walking the dog, and not koi related, but just thought I'd show you. Out walking Litre, and on our local river we have a huge rowing club that is about 10-minute walk from my house, and our local residents on the river are mother and son seals. We do also get dolphins in Peterborough as well, in the River Nene. But yeah, obviously lots of people taking pictures and videos. But here's our residents in Peterborough. Not something you see every day unless you live by the beach, eh? So we're here at Nigel's pond. The feeder's just gone off. Let's have a spin round.
Nearly 4 weeks. Oh, I've got family out there then. No.
Nigel's absolutely lovely pond. We're at the Peterborough Koi Club today. And Nigel was at the show at Newark with a lot of these fish a couple of weeks back, and won a rosette and a few other kissing koi, won a few other prizes. The Tancho down there, Tancho Sankey, he won summit or other. What else was there?
And we've done a couple of bits Ontario, but no, we've never been to
One of the Sheros I think was there, but I think it was that one. Sorry, the pie at Surrey even, not Shero. He was there, but the one that won best in the class and size was the Asagi. And that is absolutely... Backside of Nigel's pond. It's a big old L shape. A lot of you may have seen it before, a few months back. It's got the lovely pagoda water feature in the middle. Got a sidewall skimmer down there. Now there is a bottom drain near that as well, but then there's a retro bottom drain under the bridge because that was an extension he did a couple of years back. But yeah, he's won a fair few prizes at the show with some of his fish. The Goromo was there as well, down there. Obviously that's the Tancho from earlier. But yeah, absolutely cracking pond and fish and garden. Let's go and have a quick look at the garden. Running on a drum there with the media in there. That's one of the old Draco curved bottom media chambers, 270 litres of media in there. Tory Gate, lovely area. And then got some fry down there and some more fry over there. Now these were a natural spawning in the pond around the lilies. Some gorgeous little showers and sankies and whatnot in this one. And then at the other end of the garden, in this one we got kahakus, but he said these ones were a bit shyer. You can see a few down the back there. Here they are, look. And then in this one is his 10 favourites at the minute. Separated a few out into this one. I don't know how well you're going to see them with the glare. Let me... Yeah, they're all down there, look. Need to clean my sunglasses. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous place and garden. As I say, we're here with the Peterborough Koi Club. Beautiful big pond, 25,000 litres. Bridge over the centre, absolutely brilliant. And then we've got the natural pond here. And we have all seen newts swimming about. And there's frogs in there as well, lots of water boatmen. All sorts of wildlife in there. Can't see any newts at the minute. But then up here is the goldfish pond. There is 2 koi in here, but the rest are all goldfish, and the goldfish have been spawning all morning around the plants. A couple of big Shiramujis in there. You can see the koi are all still chasing each other. But yeah, what an absolutely gorgeous place.